internal leaf structure or the internal structure of the leaf, and this is it. So as you can see it, we have the cuticle. This is the upper cuticle, and down here we are supposed to be with the lower cuticle. So we use this color of green, as you can see it, because mainly chlorophyll is that is appearing green, and we know that it is an essential condition for photosynthesis. Then we also, as I've said, we talk about these ones, but again, we have to consider the fact that after looking at there is rain, and we also look at the fertility of the soil, but we have to consider the light intensity, the spacing, and leaf exposure. So we are looking at photosynthesis and want to apply that content or that knowledge in your life situation so that we can yield a lot from our plants. Here we are looking at real life applications, and remember our aim is to yield a lot from our plants. And as I said, that these factors affect the rate of photosynthesis, and it is the rate of photosynthesis which will make us yield a lot or yield little. So we have to apply all what we study with the photosynthesis, that is nutrition in plants, so that we can have a lot from our plants. So we are saying that we are designing simple plant spacing systems, and I think when you have gone to your garden and you're trying to plant, maybe let us take an example of the banana plantation, there is that spacing that we give. So that is all about to have the fact that light and leaf exposure will be maintained as the plant is growing. Then you can use reflective materials so that to increase the amount of light that is absorbed by, or that light that reaches the leaves of the flowers. And remember, I said that sunlight is an essential condition for the process of photosynthesis. Then we have pruning to maximize photosynthesis. Now you can go to Mr. Chakuzi plantation, and you find that there is a lot of branches on, let us take an example of an apple, when there are a lot of branches on that plant. So I don't think that will bring in a very good rate of photosynthesis, because there we have a lot of leaves that then those leaves are distracted, so they need to be well exposed to sunlight. Then that is all about photosynthesis, and that is all in nutrition in plants. Then I wanted to leave you here with a small task, that is design a small garden that increases crop yield. Using knowledge of light and leaf arrangement. So I want you to design a small garden that increases crop yield using this knowledge of light and leaf arrangement. So I think you will put that in the comment section, and we see how we can go about it. Then the other thing I wanted to leave you with, this is a small quiz. It is, let me write it here. Small quiz. So teacher, let me use this man's name. Teacher Siraj goes to the latrine to excrete the body digestive wastes. This teacher is an animal. Is an animal. So let it be like a kind of a scenario, but it is short because I don't want to lose a lot of time in doing this Kasimoka quiz. So it is saying teacher Siraj goes to the latrine to excrete the body digestive wastes. This teacher is an animal. Remember, I told you that in senior 2 we studied about nutrition in plants and also nutrition in animals just after soil. Eh? So I'm bringing in this scenario. Then, do plants excrete? Do plants excrete? If yes, how? Teacher goes to the latrine to excrete the body digestive wastes. This teacher is an animal. Do plants excrete? If yes, how? So that one, you will go to the comment section and see how you can react, because now we are talking about nutrition, and we know that in animals, after in that process of nutrition, there is digestion, and at the end of it, there is excretion. So even when we talk about nutrition in the plants, we want to see, do they also excrete? And if they excrete, how do they do that? So I remain teacher Charlie Pasiraj. This is River Flow International. Remember, this is going to be a GBT project. Then immediately after this project, we shall go to A-level biology. Thank you.